In order to tune your conjugate heat transfer with radiation solver settings to be most efficient, you'll want to first show the default solver, and that should take a few moments to generate. And once this generates, we will update the segregated solver under Stationary Solver 2. You can see that by default it places the radiation variables within the first step, but we'll want to change that. So we'll control select these two radiation variables and then click the delete button to remove those from segregated step 1. You can see the turbulence variables are segregated step 2, and then we'll add a third segregated step by right-clicking on segregated 1, selecting segregated step. We will move that above the lower limit by left-clicking and dragging, or alternatively, you could just right-click and select move up. On segregated step 3, we will click the plus icon in the settings window and then add the two radiation variables. And then click OK. And then finally, we'll adjust the linear solver for this third segregated step to be the iterative linear system solver tuned for HT-RAD1, which is our surface-to-surface radiation physics. And that's it.